Goat legs and feet, a delicacy for many, are cooked in a delicious broth. Because of the tendons and the connect tissue, it turns the gravy into a rich, velvety texture. I'm going to do is grind together 1/3 of a cup of fried onions and 1 cup of yogurt. I usually make my own fried onions, but you can also use store-bought. Grind this together and keep it aside. I'm simplifying the recipe by using 1 pot, so I have less to clean up after. In my instant pot, I'm going to start with the tadka that I will use in the end. I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of julienne of ginger and 5 green chilies. Saute this till they turn golden brown, then remove them and reserve. In the same pot, I'm going to make the red gravy that will be added just before the tadka. I'm almost working backwards. Add in 2 black cardamoms, 3 cloves, 2 green cardamoms, 1 stick of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, and I'm just going to saute this to cook off the raw ginger and garlic taste. Now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of red chili powder, give it a really quick mix, and add in 2 cups of water before it starts to burn. Allow this to boil for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to add in the onion paste I made earlier. Add a little bit of water to your jar just to free any of that paste from under the blades and add that in as well. Add salt to taste and allow this to boil for another 5 minutes. After that, remove it and reserve it. Now back into the pot, I'm going to add 4 goat trotters. This is about 700 grams. These are goat legs and hooves that I had cut in 3 pieces each. You will notice that these are the burnt version. The butcher has 2 types, the burnt payas as well as the regular ones. The burnt ones means that they've burnt the legs to remove all of the hair. This makes it much easier to clean. If you buy the regular payas, all you need to do is rub the legs with a bit of flour to remove all of the hair. Wash this thoroughly and it's ready to use. I'm going to add my paya in, and then I'm going to add 2 cups of onion, 10 to 12 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of oil, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 2 cups of water. Give this a quick mix, and now I'm going to put the lid on, make sure that it's set to sealing mode, and I'm going to set this to pressure cooker mode for 20 to 25 minutes. If you're using a regular pressure cooker, you can cook this for about 2 to 3 whistles. Once this is done, I'm just going to check the meat, and as you can see, it's nice and soft, and the broth is rich and fragrant. The onions have simply melted into the gravy, and that's exactly what I wanted. Now I'm going to add the red chili gravy that I made earlier, and I'm going to cook this on saute mode for another 10 minutes. I'm also going to add 1 tablespoon of crushed fennel seeds, 1 tablespoon of ginger powder, and 1/2 tablespoon of garam masala. Finally, I'm going to add in about half of the garnish, and the other half just going to reserve to garnish when I serve the dish. And I'm going to serve this with rotis or parathas. This is absolutely delicious. Enjoy.